Good morning and welcome to Moneyline Tips. I have 6 odds for you. Total of 5 matches over market. Let's get started. The first game we have here is a game in the Finland Amateur where Maraki Rangers is taking on Hodi and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is in Crop Friendly where GKS Just Zebi is taking on GKS Kotowise and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in the Finland Amateur where FC Kiko Nomi is taking on Hogi and my prediction here is over 2.5 goals. The next one we have is a game in the Iceland division where Catholic is taking on UMF Jadvik and my prediction is over 2.5 goals. If you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section.